Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably thinking about dipping your toes into the world of bonds, and today we're tackling how to buy an iShares bond fund. Bonds can be a smart way to add stability to your investment portfolio, especially if you're looking for steady income and lower risk compared to stocks. Let's break this down step by step so you can get started with confidence. First off, what exactly is an iShares bond fund? iShares is a brand under BlackRock, one of the biggest investment firms out there. These funds are essentially exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, that bundle together a variety of bonds, like government, corporate, or municipal ones. This means you get diversification without having to buy individual bonds, which can be complicated and expensive. Why should you consider buying one? Well, iShares bond funds offer regular interest payments, potential for capital preservation, and they can help balance out the volatility in your stock holdings. Plus, they're easy to trade on stock exchanges, just like stocks. Before you dive in, make sure you have a brokerage account. If you don't, platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or E-Trade make it simple to open one online. You'll need to provide some basic info and fund it with money from your bank account. Now, let's get to the how. Step 1. Do your research. Head to the iShares website or your brokerage's research tools to find the right fund. Popular ones include the iShares Core U.S. Aggregate Bond ETF, ticker AGG. Check its performance, fees, and how it fits your goals. Step 2. Log into your brokerage account. Search for the fund using its ticker symbol. Step 3. Decide how many shares you want to buy and choose your order type, maybe a market order for immediate purchase or a limit order to set your price. Step 4. Review and confirm your order. Double-check everything to avoid mistakes. Once it's done, keep an eye on your investment through your account dashboard. A few tips to remember. Always consider your overall financial situation, diversify beyond just bonds, and be mindful of interest rate changes that could affect bond values. Investing involves risks, so it's wise to consult a financial advisor if you're unsure. There you have it. Buying an iShares bond fund is straightforward once you know the steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more investment tips. What's your next investment move? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.